Farmers grow crops and vegetables in it, children play with it, and sometimes when no one is looking, they eat it too. We are talking about none other than soil. For millions of years, the soil has not only nurtured human population and other species, but it has also provided them shelter after their death. The soil is nothing but a mixture of mineral particles, organic materials, air, water, and living organisms. It seems that soil has always been on the earth. But when the earth was formed, there was no soil on the planet. Whole planet was covered either in rocks or in ocean. So how did this life-giving soil form? Today we shall know about the process behind the formation of soil. So stick with us throughout the video and know how this process works. The formation of soil is a really long and continuous process. The whole process of the formation of soil can be divided into three following steps. With the intense heat of the sun, the rocks expand, and when the sun sets, they contract. This process of expansion and contraction is not unique throughout the rock. For example, the portion of rock facing the sun expands and contracts more than the rock on the opposite side. This non-uniform expansion and contractions leads to formation of cracks in the rock. The rainwater and moisture enters into these cracks. At low temperature, this moisture freezes, and as the volume of ice is greater than the volume of water, it expands. But there is no room for the ice to expand. Thus, this expansion leads to the rock becoming weaker over the time. Eventually, the rock becomes so weak that it breaks down into many small pieces. This whole process is the first step and it is known as physical weathering. Generally, this type of weathering takes very long time. But it can be accelerated by the chemical reactions between the mineral found in rock and physical elements like water, wind, and other chemicals. These chemical reactions are part of second step, known as chemical weathering. The last step in the process of formation of soil is biological weathering. At the end of the physical and chemical weathering, we get the soil-like substance, which is nothing but combination of sand, silt, and clay-sized particles. In the absence of organic matter, this primitive soil cannot support any plant or animal life. But even in these harsh conditions, some algae, fungi, and lichens can grow and thrive in this primitive soil. The algae changes nitrogen gas into a form that plants can use. It also captures sunlight and creates sugar and the oxygen, which helps small insects to survive. As these microorganisms have very short life, they live and die quickly, creating few layers of organic matter. This process makes soil fertile and small plants begin to grow in it. These plants mature, die, and new ones take their place. Their leaves and roots are added to the soil along with animal waste, which eventually becomes organic matter. With the passage of time, this organic matter makes the soil fertile enough to grow thick vegetation and support animals. And this is how, with the help of these three steps, we get the soil which is cherished by y'all. Express your love for the soil and motherland by sharing this video with your friends and family. And for more such interesting videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.